Hi, Tony Fennell, Prime Motor Cars, 978-764-1232 is my cell. Give me a call. I want to show you this 21 M2CA 4X Pebble Gray. Look at this beautiful high roof with the 6-cylinder diesel engine, that nice, beautiful Mercedes-Benz chrome emblem in the front. You can see the fog lights in the front. Pebble Gray, nice color with the black steel painted wheels, the Continental winter tires. You can run those 24/7. And this one has a hitch on the back of it. It has the electrical right here. The doors open up 270 degrees, just about kiss the quarter panels. There's a nice handle right here to get in. It has the high roof, wood floor, 6D rings to strap down your cargo, hardboard sidewall paneling. Beautiful interior, you'll see that in a second, with the MBUX 7-inch touchscreen. But you can talk to it, you don't have to necessarily touch it. There's a mouse on the steering wheel to help with that. And get the slider door open right here. Has a nice handle right here at the B pillar to climb in. Well optioned. The black leatherette, nice touch here with the beautiful interior, a lot of options. The MBUX system right there, the 7-inch, has heated seats. I can see the heated seats. Nice touch here at the armrest, swivel seats. Thanks, Tony Fennell, Prime Motor Cars, 978-764-1232. Call me. I'll go over all the other options with you. Thanks.